Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel learning series. In today's video, we will learn about a useful formula that helps calculate time difference and handle error smartly. So let me explain you the formula. We have if error, mode formula and time. So let me explain you the formula first. So if error actually checks the error, if there is any error in the calculation, like if one of the cells is blank or has any invalid data, if there is any error, it will return according to your wish, whatever you want to get in return as an error. And for the mode formula, mode actually used here to make sure the result stay within the 24-hour format. It helps avoid negative time value or errors when crossing the midnight. And minus time, actually this subtract 1 hour from the result. Maybe you want to exclude break time or adjust for a fixed duration. So let me show you quickly. So we have a data over here. We have a employee names. We have an employee shift timing from 8 to 17, which is 9 hours. But we need to show 8 hours over here and the off days. So equals to if error bracket open will type mode bracket open will minus 17 8 comma will put 1 bracket close. Now minus time will use the time formula. We'll do 1 hour minus comma comma bracket close comma. Now in quotation, in double quotation, we'll type off because I want off in if error. So double quotation again, bracket close, enter. So you see the shift actually calculates 8 hours shift for everyone, for all the employees. So we'll just drag it. So we can see, you know, for all these employee for we have a they have a shift for 8 hours, and for Megha Joshi, uh, she has a week off on Monday. So similarly, we have to use the same formula in each of the column to get the data correctly. So hope this explanation was helpful. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more Excel tips. If you have any question or want to learn a specific formula, drop a comment below, and you can please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Take care.